Hi, this is Paul from Model Builder International. What we're going to look at today is a book from Kagero. This is the Super Drawings in 3D. This is the 36th book in the series. This one's on the light cruiser Yahagi. So let's turn the pages, have a look, see what's in there. Okay, so what exactly do we get in the book? There's 90 pages. Obviously this is the Super Drawings in 3D of the Japanese light cruiser Yahagi. Start off with 3D glasses. More about those in a minute. The first thing, this is pretty neat, is a set of 1/350th scale drawings. Just get this pushed mostly here. See, there's part views and 3/4 views on that side, and on the other side we have port starboard and views from above, and this is as she was in 1945 when she was sunk. So those are pretty neat just on their own. So just fold those up, put those elsewhere. So it's all glossy paper, full colour. First 4 pages, an overview of the ship, basically from beginning to end, all the details, and then it gets straight into, I'll just turn the pages while I talk, straight into all sorts of diagrams or pictures, 3D renderings of the ship as she was in 1945, when she was sunk actually with the Yamato. She was on that mission. So as you can see here, there's an awful lot of detail. There's little bits of colour that you probably wouldn't see in the instructions for the kit. Views not only from far away but also from up close as well. So you can see all the little bits and pieces that you wouldn't otherwise normally see. You can see all the rigging that you're ever going to want to see, along with inside of the ship's boats. Close-ups of individual pieces as well. I'll just keep going. So basically, if you're building the Yahagi, or there's everything you could possibly need is in all these images. I'll just skip forward a little bit. There's lots and lots of information. Then we get onto the bit that the 3D glasses are for. I'll just turn it that way. So obviously this isn't going to work with the camera because cameras don't have 2 eyes. But with these, basically these are pretty neat 3D images of various parts of the ship. The only hassle I had was I wear glasses, so trying to get these either in front of or behind the glasses was a little interesting at times, but it worked okay. And you get some really nice images, and I think it's about 10 pages or so at the back here are these 3D images, and they're really quite nice. So, and then at the end here, there's the 35 volumes that have come before. So basically this, if you're building a model of the Yahagi, this is the only reference you're going to need. Everything you could possibly need is in here. Good quality pictures. There's captions to the pictures. Every image has some description of it, and both the description and the first 2 or 4 pages of information about the ship leads to basically explaining pretty much everything you're going to see, and any questions you might have, so they're all pretty good. The book is published by Kagero, so it's available from all the places they sell, that sells Kagero's books. It's also marketed by Casemate, so everywhere that you can get Casemate publishing books in the States and in the UK, you can get them from both those places as well. I'd just like to say many thanks to Casemate for sending this along for us to have a look at, and it's a pretty impressive book actually. Anyway, so If you like the videos, don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video.